Hello my YouTube channel, please subscribe.
The year 1947 marked a special chapter in American automotive history, and the Buick Super stood right at the center of it. Coming out just after the Second World War, the 1947 Buick Super carried with it the spirit of optimism, a clear message that the golden age of automobiles was just beginning. Buick's designers made sure the Super looked confident, with broad, sweeping lines, a generous amount of chrome, and a sense of presence that made it impossible to ignore on the road. It was a vehicle for people who wanted a taste of luxury but still valued practicality and solid engineering. Under the hood, the 1947 Buick Super was powered by a 248 cubic inch Fireball straight-eight engine. It wasn't just about size, it was about smoothness. Buick's engineers had spent years perfecting the straight-eight to deliver a quiet, effortless drive. Mated with a 3-speed manual transmission, the Super offered impressive performance for its time, making it a favorite for drivers who loved the feeling of effortless cruising. With around 110 horsepower, the Super wasn't built for outright speed, it was designed for refined, comfortable touring. It was the kind of car you could imagine gliding down long open highways, turning heads at every stop. Design-wise, the 1947 model year didn't introduce radical changes compared to pre-war Buicks, but there were important updates. The body was a bit more refined, and Buick's signature, bomb sight, hood ornament became a defining feature. Chrome accents adorned the fenders and bumpers, giving the car an even more upscale appearance. Wide white-wall tires were popular options, and customers could choose between several two-tone color combinations that made the Super look even more distinguished. It was offered in a variety of body styles, including sedans, convertibles, and coupes, so buyers could pick the perfect version to suit their taste. Inside, the Buick Super was all about comfort. Spacious bench seats were wrapped in high-quality cloth or optional leather, and the dashboard featured beautifully detailed gauges and chrome trim. A large steering wheel made maneuvering the car surprisingly easy for something of its size. Buick offered advanced features for the time, like a Sonoma-TIC radio and a heater, which were considered luxury touches. The ride quality was among the best in its class thanks to Buick's soft coil spring suspension system, which absorbed bumps and rough roads with ease. It was a car meant to make long-distance travel feel effortless and enjoyable.